Okay, I just wrote this app that takes a directory full of individual image files and makes a single image file for your sprite sheet. It takes all those individual ones and just pastes them together edge to edge into a single image file. And this is a standalone Java app. So you get it by going to nasonschooler.com. It's my website. Go to the software section and then download the Java file. And we'll save it right to the desktop. There we go. So we'll open it. And here we go. So all you do is you click this button here to go to the first file in your directory of images. So I've got one here. This was generated by Blender. It's just a sequence of individual frames from the animation. And just open one of those images. I'll do the first one. And so it does a couple of things right away. It just scans to see how many files are in the directory and what their names are. And then from that first image file that you selected, it gets the size. So it detected it was 300 by 300 pixels. And then it tells you what the sprite sheet's going to look like. Right now, by default, it's set for just one row, so they're all in line. If we did that, it'd be 18,300 by 300 pixels. And we can do, basically it does the math for you when you click these buttons as to how many rows and columns you'll have. So you can get it so they're halfway close. We can do a 8 by 8 square one here. Be a 2400 by 2400 pixel image. So then we're ready to go. We'll click Make Sprite Sheet. It wants you to save it somewhere. We'll just put it on the desktop, give it a name. Sprite Sheet test, that'll be fine. And the extension you give it doesn't matter because it's going to make a Pong file and give it the .png extension. If you gave it a different extension, it'll just strip that away and give it .png because it's going to be a PNG file. So there we go. It made it, finished making it there. And it tells you it's complete, where it is. And here we have it. That's what we wanted. One file with everything perfectly aligned, edge to edge, based on the individual image files we had. Now these images were all the same size. That's basically what you have to do. If they are different sizes, I think it's going to make them fit into a grid that's the same size as the first image you pick. And I'm not really sure what the results would be at that point. But yeah, so it's basically made for an exported animation from like a 3D program where every frame is exactly the same size and they're made to be viewed exactly when they're exactly aligned with each other for your video game or whatever application you're going to make with them. Okay, that's it. So yeah, it's called MakeSpriteSheet, and go ahead and try it out. It's completely free. I just thought it would be a great utility to have. I ran into this problem. I'm starting a 2D game, and I looked at all the different options I could find out there for making sprite sheets, and they're all like, I don't know, scripts for different apps and things, and or they're shareware or something, trialware or whatever. So this one's just a straight up utility, completely free. Tried to make it as bare bones and straightforward as possible. So if you have any questions or comments, you can just do it in YouTube here, or even email me if you want at software.support@nasonschooler.com. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you get some use out of it.